Hi everyone, back down the Opal mine today, and I'm going to be leaving soon, so I thought I'd just do a bit of filming. I'm not going to film myself digging. I don't know, Otto was meant to be with me today, but he wasn't, but couldn't make it. But we're down in the Opal mine, and down in my Opal mine, I'm just on the border of my Opal mine, going into the abandoned mine, which is being filled in and no one digs here anymore. And people have talked about how dangerous where I'm going is, so I thought, well, if everyone's talking about how dangerous it is, let's show them some even more dangerous places, I thought. So, down here in an abandoned mine, and thought I'd show you this pillar. Now, that pillar there, you can see it is supporting the roof, and there would have been, I guess, opal around that, and that's why they've done that there. You can see these rocks here have all fallen from the roof. You can see over here, let's go over here, all very precarious over here. Look at the work that's been done. A little hole right there, it's barely anything holding that up. So let's go this way for a further explore. Yeah, so I found a little bit of, just a tiny bit of colour today. I'm going to hopefully show you later if I can, but it's hard to film myself digging, but I thought I'd just give you some footage of around, exploring around again. Most of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribers and haven't seen down in Opal mine. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. We've got 300 subscribers. We're aiming, our goal is to get to 1,000, and so we get monetized and hopefully make a few dollars to make our videos a little bit better. So please subscribe if this interests you. This is an opal mine. Any man in Australia can have an opal mine. If you want an opal mine, you can peg a claim and you can come down here and do this. So getting down to a very dangerous area down here. Now this is danger, mega danger. So this is a big collapse. Look at all these props that are, oh, okay. So I don't want to bump stuff around here. Big giant rocks leaning against pillars. Look at that wooden pole right there with the rock just resting on it. And oh, that one up there. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? So you can see that rock there is just supported by that. And we've got this one here. And here, wow. Look at that, guys. Hopefully the camera can see it. That is a big, huge pile of fallen roof. And all of this has collapsed down here and collapsed and knocked, oh my God. Yeah, I shouldn't be staying here. I'm only briefly going around for the video. We don't mine here, no way. And look what they did. You know, I don't know who, I think the guy who mined here passed away, I think. But down here, look, down here. This is, forgive me for everyone who tells me this is so dumb, but just showing you all. Whoa, you want to go down mining down there, guys, under there? Oh, it goes further. This is not a good place to be. Right. So let's hope the roof don't fall on me. Can you imagine coming down here, going down here with your pick and digging down here? Crazy. I don't think I'd do that, no. Would you do that? Comment in the comment section if you'd come down here and dig under here and find opals. But yeah, before I came to Lightning Ridge, I never knew, I didn't know you can go and peg a 50 by 50 and have an opal mine. It only cost you about, I don't know, $1,200 for the registration. You gotta pick a good spot though. Oh, down here. That was down there. That was down. Oh, that was down. See, I'm only carrying a light and a camera. I don't have a pick, but it looks like someone went digging in there, doesn't it? Must have been, can you imagine? Oh, we must have found a little bit of opal up there. We're going to dig over there now. These fallen big chunks around. Okay. I've actually never been here. I've never been here. Once again, I'm a new opal miner, so I haven't been doing this a long time and don't really go to these dangerous places. I just stick to where I dig. And imagine you go down there and you can't get back up, eh? You go down and well, I'm sure I could get back up, but you can't get back and you're just stuck down there. What? There's a hole there. Oh my God. I don't know how do we get to there, that hole? Look, if you go around this way, there's no way to go that way. So somehow, somewhere in this mine, you can go somewhere, and they must have been digging on the other side, and then they dug a hole and they came out, and they're like, oh my God, this is. Or they were digging here and they found that. I don't know. Should we go down there? Nah, it's not. Let's go this way. Or this way. Wonder if there's any opals left down here. Probably, eh? Maybe not. I don't know. I'm not going to dig here to find out. That's a skeleton of a snake or something. It's like a snake skeleton. Oh yeah, snake skeleton. Snake right there. Watch out for these snakes. It just reminded me of that skeleton. Oh, look, a hole. What's that? Up there. Oh. Slippery on these dirt piles. Okay, we've got air here. Go back this way. There's a hole right there. Hole. Hole. Can't squeeze through there. What about through there? Is that a hole I can crawl through? Looks like it. Squeeze. It's a bit of a squeeze. I'll get lost, eh? What? What? Where it takes me? To another fall. Could be the same fall, other side maybe. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna have to go back now. Ooh, I think someone dug down there. They were trying to get the opal under and up. This is another fall. So looks like I'm trapped and I'm gonna have to go back. Yeah. I think if you went up and around there, maybe it'd take you to where I just was about 5 minutes ago. These rocks here could be loose too, you never know. So always look around. Shout out to Michigan, USA. Haven't checked my post yet, mate. Sorry. Will do. Please subscribe if you find this interesting once again. Look over there. Post holding that up. Look how high it is. See, I'm tempted to climb it, but I know I shouldn't. Because if I climb it and one of these dislodge, could start a little avalanche and I get crushed by a big rock like that. So I'll turn around and go back, unfortunately. So I now know that's a dead end. Don't see any opals here. Don't see anything. Looks like someone dug here though, doesn't it? Sort of like along here. The size of that rock. Alright. Whoa. Nope. Don't see any opals, so well, keep going. Back. So yeah, we're in an opal mine. This is about 50 feet under the ground. Is in all this clay dirt underneath the hard sandstone roof. If you've got any questions about this, you can ask as well. Lots of people have asked me questions and I do answer. Okay, we're free again. Spider. Got it off. Looks like a machine did that, eh? See the lines on the wall? Like a big machine with claws scraping down. Scraping down. Okay. Must have been some opal in this wall. Where am I? Yes, okay, I am back in the ballroom again. Alright, I think that's enough of the explore today. Explore that direction today. Explore another direction another day. Can't go too far because I know this is abandoned claim, but if you go further in certain directions, I don't know really where I am, but anyway, that's it for the end of the video. Like I said, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more opal mining adventures. Hopefully I'll be out with Otto next. Bye for now.